Hello po. Ano ko lang yung mga, i-share ko lang po yung mga ah, ginagamit kong na Instead Bix. Diba? Bago ang lahat, good evening muna. Good evening muna po o good morning. Kung sino man po makapanood nito, nasan man kayong bansa, o good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. Ganon. I-share ko lang po yung ginagamit ko na para sa headache, sa sore throat, sa muscle pain, at saka sa bastang parting anxiety na ginagamit ko rin yan. Meron din akong isa, ginagamit ko lang naman siya para sa pag yung nagigising ako sa madaling araw, hindi ako makabalik ng tulog, iniintay ko ng 30 minutes. Pag hindi ako makatulog pabalik ng 30 minutes, yung ginagamit ko na. Pakita ko po sa inyo. Ito siya. Yan. Mabibili nyo po siya sa online ng $25 kasi chinek ng anak ko eh. Tapos, itong pinakatakip niyan, maliit. Yan. Parang ganyan lahat sila ganyan size. Tapos meron din po siyang meron na po siyang spray ngayon. Pero nung nag-start po ako, wala siyang spray. Oo. Tapos ito po kasi tingnan mo, 1 taon na to sa akin kasi ito bihira ako ginagamit pag yung nagpe-play up lang yung tulog ko. At saka ang pahid lang po niya, konti-konti lang, i-slide mo lang, yung slide lang niyan, ganyan, no? Tapos ipapahid mo rito. Tapos ganun mo uli dito. Tapos couple of ganon. Tapos mga 4 siguro. Tapos ihagurin mo pa ganyan. Sa iba kasi tumatalab ng 30 minutes eh. Depende po siguro. Ngayon kung siya, maganda siya. Mas pwede na, meron naman po siyang instruction dito na pero ako yun ang ginagawa ko. Ang tawag niya po is Relax Balm. Pwede kang umorder sa online, pwede kang bumili sa Chermside. Yan pong sinishare ko lang po kung ano yung nakakabuti sa akin. At pwede niyong subukan. Kung kaya ng bulsa, isa lang muna, di ba? Kasi meron din akong isa. Ganun, magkaiba naman ang niya. Eto. Yan po siya. Yan. Di ba po, ano siya? Siguro nakikita niyo po sa Chermside. Maybe you see this online all the time. If anyone looking for who wants to help the anxiety, before you take your tablet, just use this one first. Or you can use this for headache. Kasi po siya hindi po siya matapang. Like if you use this for your anxiety, what I did is I just put in the back of my ears and the front and here in this side and also in this top of your nose. And then kung meron naman kayong sore throat, naman po siya, yun nga, yung likod, using your back of your ears kasi if you have flu, you can feel your back of your ears is so in the front as well, like that, very tender, like here. And then when you put the balm here in part of your neck, push it down right through. If it's not enough, rub another one. What you do, just rub in the back of your neck, rub in the front, and then rub it hardly. And then if you trying to because I prove already when I have sore throat, I just I peel it a little bit. Then I put it here, But every time I touch the this one, like that, put, and then back, like that. So, because it's gonna cost you too much if you dig in and then rub it here. Not like that. Tapos, and then in the other side. So, at saka dito, mainly rub it as much as you can. Yeah. Yeah, like that. And then like that. And then you put here. And then, it's so good. Very good. I told to my daughter to try it as well. See? Chill. What do you call it? Perfect Potion Chill Out Balm. It's affordable and it lasts long. Because I use this for 10 years now. And I have one in my bag. I have one in my bedside. Because I don't use sleeping tablet as much as I can. Because I don't want taking medication all the time. And also the anxiety medication, I don't take it as much as I can. This one is always I'm rubbing in my forehead, in the back, or in the nose to stop me anxiety. Okay. And I hope you like what I said. But if this one here, it said here, feel the stress melt from your body and your mind release. The thought of the day, massage into your temples, shoulders, and back of your neck. See, this one. Yan. They the same price. Yeah. I haven't seen any bigger than this. No. Whoever make this one and what do you call this? Whoever make it, and the company is doing good. Because there's so many people have anxiety, since I have MS. No, even though I don't have MS yet, I use this one and the other one. These two. Always use these two. Yeah. They're always in my bag. I hope you try it. So, if I put this in, follow me on my YouTube. If you have any question, and I hope I got a good feedback if you try it already, or if you already have it, please share your your experience. Sorry, I can't think. Share your experience, if you use this one already, please. So we can share it to the other people who got anxiety, So, because I've been there, I've done that, and it's really, really big help. So at least some people can try it and wear it and where to buy it. All I can say, the quick one, if you close to Chermside Shopping Center or any Westfield, and then if you want a cheaper, you can. If you're good online, Because I know I'm not a good online. Order online? No way. I can't. I'm scared to pay, online. And then if you, because it's cheaper, $5, promise. And that's all for my video. And I hope you try and listen what I share. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Thank you very much, and have a good night. And feel free to leave comment when you want it. I'll be happy to answer it back. Thank you very much, and have a good night. God bless all of us. Thank you. Bye bye.